Hey yo yo yo! It's that time again with my god awful upload schedule. But me and Luke back out again to terrorise. This time it's an actual bike meet. We're heading over to Sharnbrook in Bedford to do a little meet. Because why the hell not? Do we need to show them how it's done? I think so. I've been really good at third gear wheelies now, by the way. Such a nice morning as well. 16 degrees today. It's beautiful. I saw him go to do it, so I let him last. Oh. I want an MT10, man. Holy shit, he's getting good. Just practice, practice, practice. Hopefully be a nice little ride over, to be honest. Fucking hell. Alright, let's go. Yeah. I'm so chaotic. I've only just filled up as well. I'm going to be empty by the time I get to fucking Sharnbrook at this rate. I should have just gone. I could have made it, but it was fine. But I need to clean my voice so bad. Oh, it's actually horrific. We're such a bad influence together. Road close ahead. Ah, it's fine, we're not going that way. What the hell is this road? We was on a dual carriageway and now we're on this. Like, there must be a better way to Bedford, surely. And my maps isn't even set up to avoid anything, so why is it taking me this way? This is the most horrific road I've been on in my entire life. This is awful. Anything over 50 just... I don't know, there's cars that come flying down here as well. Just Luke chilling in the background. The size of that fucking thing. God damn! You probably can't even see it on the GoPro, but I swear to God. Alright, I didn't hit it, it's fine. Like, can you imagine how perfect this road would be right here if it was straight and it wasn't bumpy? Oh, it says turn right in a minute. It's just... nearly killed a squirrel. Fucking hell. What is it with being animals? Yes! A normal road! Ah! MT07! Oh hello, fuck me, there's everybody. Alright, I don't think we'll need maps, we can just follow these people. I presume they're going there, I mean we're following them if not, and this just looks weird. Oh no, we can go this way. Yes! fucking beautiful day today, boys. God damn. See. Fucking hell, alright. Getting that hot, boy! Hey, unlucky, might have to sit in traffic, dickheads. We have a whole fucking squad of them! Yes! Do you want a hand? Is that? Are you parking it in gear? Huh? Have you parked it in gear? No. Because it might roll forwards. Oh.
Don't involve money that I don't accept.